I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from your Deutsche Bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Locate an ATM. Find a Deutsche Bank ATM or one that is part of the bank's network. You can use the bank's mobile app or website to locate the nearest ATM. Step 2. Insert your card. Once you reach the ATM, insert your Deutsche Bank debit or credit card into the machine. Make sure the card is oriented correctly as indicated on the ATM. Step 3. Enter your PIN. After inserting your card, you will be prompted to enter your personal identification number PIN. Make sure to enter your PIN securely and discreetly. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Choose the option for cash withdrawal on the ATM screen. You may need to select your account type, checking, or savings before proceeding. Step 5. Choose amount and complete transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eShortCom link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember to keep an eye on your surroundings when using an ATM, especially if you're withdrawing a large amount. Happy banking!